Okay. So Simran, what do you want to do after studies? When you finish your studies, what do you want to become? When you finish your studies, what do you want to become? You want to become a teacher? You want to become a doctor? What do you want to become?
Police.
You want to go in the police? Wow. So you want to become a police officer? Wow, that's so good. I'm so proud of you. Okay, how about you? How about you?
क्या बोल
Tell me what you want to become.
IPS officer, ma'am.
Wow, IPS officer. So you have to study a lot for that, right? IPS officer. When you become an IPS officer, so what are you doing every day? You reading books? Are you reading books every day? You have a library? Do you read books every day?
Yes, no? Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good. So what type of books you read every day? What type of books you like to read? Story books?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
All the girls are here, no problem. So nice to talk to you, both of you. Thank you, Simran. And
हाँ हाँ
okay, now,
story book.
okay, you like to read storybooks. Okay. So now you speak with me. So all the girls speak with me, okay? Hello. Okay, everyone, whatever I speak, you repeat with me. Okay, say hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Okay, slowly.
I'm fine.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine. Thank you.
Again, we'll start. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine. Thank you.
Very good. Okay, now next sentence. Okay. So, what you want to speak? Somebody will just try to speak something, then we will just elaborate it. Okay. So, you want to speak something in English?
Yes.
Okay, try. Come on. No need to feel shy. Listen, no need to feel shy. Try to speak something. I am sitting in the class. Say, she's feeling shy. Can you tell her to stand up? Yes, can you stand up?
Stand up. Hey, stand up.
No, behind you. Yes, very good. Okay. Say, I am sitting in the class,
I am sitting in the class.
waiting for my friends. Waiting,
Eh?
waiting
Waiting
for
for
my friends.
my friends.
They will come.
They will come.
And then we will start the class.
They will start on the class.
Then they will come.
When
Then they will come.
then will come.
We will
We will
start
start
the class.
the class.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay, anybody else? Next girl. Yes. Hello. Who the behind the girl who's standing? Can her tell to stand up? Yes. What is your name? The last one with two plaits. Yes, you have to stand up. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Purvi.
Purvi, how are you today?
Fine.
You're fine. So what do you want to become when you finish your studies? Monday, what do you want to become? You want to become a teacher, a doctor, or an engineer? What do you want to become?
Doctor, ma'am.
Oh, you want to become a doctor? That is so good. I'm so happy for you. So you like science? You like science? You like to study
Thank you,
science?
ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. You can take your seat. Thank you. Okay, someone else will
Ma'am.
stand up. Purvi, can you give to somebody else? Yes. Nobody will feel shy in my class. You all are my friends. You all are my students. You all are my friends. Come on, stand up. Yes. What is your name?
Rohini.
Rohini. Rohini. Wow, beautiful name. So, Rohini, what do you want to become after finishing the school? I want to become. You want to become a teacher?
Again, please.
You. What do you want to become after finishing the school, the college? What do you want to become? You want to become a teacher? You want to become a doctor? You want to become an IAS officer? What do you want to become?
Singer.
You want to become a singer? That's so good. You know, even my daughter, she's a singer. My daughter is a singer. That's so good. So I will tell my daughter to talk to you. What's your name?
My name Rohini.
Rohini. Okay, Rohini. God bless you. You will become a singer one day.
Thank you, ma'am.
So do you practice singing at home?
Yes.
Very good. So can you sing one line for us? One line for. Can you sing one line for us, please? Sing one line. It's fun class. Come on, try one line. Please sing one line. Any one favorite song. Come on, one line. We are just having fun. Come on, try. Vande. You know that one? Vande Mataram. Vande Ma. That one you know? Try.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Come on, try. You try this song. This is by Lata Mangeshkar, okay? You try this song at home. It's a beautiful song. It's for, and you know, on 15th August, you can try to sing this song for your class. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Okay? You sing?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Sit down.
Thank you.
Next one. Come on, next one. You all have to speak. If you will speak, then we will, have fun. Okay, other students are coming. Otherwise, we start the class. The other students are coming, or we start the class.
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Simran.
Simran. What do you want to become when you become big? Malla, you said, I think you said you want to become a police officer, right?
Yes.
I remember now your name. Simran wants to become a police officer, right? Very good, Simran. Thank you so much. Okay, can we start the class?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now everybody will speak with me, okay? So, what we did last time, can somebody tell me last time what we did? इस साइड से कोई बच्चा नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. How many students? Can you tell them to sit this side?
लड़के नहीं है मैडम.
उधर कौन बैठा है आपकी? ये लाइन सिर्फ मुझे दिख रही है, ये वाली लाइन नहीं दिख रही.
गर्ल्स लड़के हैं, लड़के आप मैडम.
Can you tell someone to come here?
अपन.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Come.
अभी तक
Very
लड़के नहीं आए, लड़के आ रहे हैं.
Okay, no problem. हम तब तक लड़कियों के साथ बात कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
No problem. Okay, now
Ma'am,
everybody.
guys is coming.
हाँ, अब सब मेरे साथ बोलेंगे, ठीक है? My name is.
My name is.
अपना अपना नाम बोलना, ठीक है? My
Yes.
name is.
My name is Payal.
Very good. I have long hair.
I have
जिसको लॉन्ग है वो लॉन्ग बोलेगा, जिसको शॉर्ट है वो शॉर्ट बोलेगा. ओके, आई हैव शॉर्ट हेयर, आई हैव लॉन्ग हेयर.
long hair.
शॉर्ट हेयर किसके है? सबके लॉन्ग है. सो यू हैव टू से हेलो, माय नेम इज.
My name is Payal.
Whatever your name. Okay, I have long hair.
I have long hair.
I have two eyes.
I have two eyes.
I have a nose.
I have nose.
I have 2 ears.
I have 2 ears.
I have a forehead.
I have a forehead.
I have 2 cheeks.
I have 2 cheeks.
I have lips.
I have lips.
I have a neck.
I have a neck.
I have 10 fingers.
I have 10 fingers.
I have 2 thumbs.
I have 2 thumbs.
Boys have come? Okay, we start with boys.
Yes.
Let them come. So try to speak like that, okay? When you try to speak anything, you get the confidence to speak in English. Understand? अपने आप को शीशे के सामने खड़ा कीजिए. अपने आप को शीशे के सामने खड़ा कीजिए. Stand in front of the mirror. Look at yourself and speak. Okay, every day try to speak for 5 minutes. रोज 10 मिनट के लिए अपने आप को सामने शीशे के सामने खड़ा रखकर इंग्लिश में बोलिए. गलत बोलिए, सही बोलिए, नो प्रॉब्लम, पर बोलिए. ओके, रोज प्रैक्टिस करने की. जब नहाने जा रहे हो, शीशे के सामने खड़े हो, देख रहे हो. I have 2 eyes. I am looking beautiful. I have long hair. My hair is open. My dress is beautiful. ऐसे बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए. Okay? Understand everybody?
No.
Okay. All the boys are here? All the boys are here. Okay now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we start the class now. Hello everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you all? We are good. Say we are good. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Now everybody will repeat in the mouth, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I will speak a story, a small story. You just have to speak inside your mouth, okay? No need to speak loudly, okay? Just listen to the story and speak whatever I am speaking, okay? Repeat it, okay?
Yeah.
It's a very small story and with a moral, okay? So listen and speak. A crow
Okay.
sat on a tree
Sat on a tree
doing nothing.
with vomit.
A crow
On go.
sat on a tree.
Sat on a tree.
Doing nothing. When, see, the crow is sitting on the tree, on top of the tree, okay? The crow is sitting on top of the tree. When a rabbit आपको पता है कौन है? rabbit पता है ना? खरगोश. rabbit कौन होता है? खरगोश. छोटा सा खरगोश देखा है जंगल में? Have you seen a rabbit?
Yes.
Okay. When a rabbit thought to do the same and sat on the ground and sat on the ground. How to sit on the ground? Stand up and sit on the ground. Stand up. One person stand up. Satya, I remember the name Satya, right? What is your name? Satyajit, sit on the ground. How to sit on the ground?
Crow.
Yeah. A crow
Look, a crow sat on the tree.
tree and doing nothing.
Yes.
Okay. When a rabbit thought to do the same, when
When
a rabbit
a rabbit
thought
thought
to
to
do the same
do the same
and sat
and sat
on the ground,
on the ground,
a fox
a fox
came
came
and ate him.
and ate him.
So moral of the story is to sit and do nothing.
Sit and do nothing.
You need to be on the top.
You need off with the top.
Okay, very good, Satya. Okay, so now we start the class with our noun, words, and verbs. We all know what are action words, right? So we will take 5 action words and make sentences and try to speak, okay? So did you try at home? Did you write some sentences before? Everyone take out your notebooks. Please take, I can't see this side. This side, boys can come in between, please. Okay. Everyone, I can't see. Please, can you come in between? Yes. Everyone right now. मेरे पास आओ. Come to me. Come, C-O-M-E. Come to me. Come to me. Okay, so now we start. I will just tell one word. You all have to make more words on it. Okay, come to me. Come
to me.
मेरे पास आओ. Come to me. Everyone write it. Come to me. Let me write. Let me write. हम sentences बनाएंगे. Let me write. Let me sing. Let me speak. Let me dance. Let me sing. Okay, 5 sentences सब बना लो फटाफट. Let me swim, not swimming. Let me swim. Let me talk. Let me walk. Let me write. Let me sing. Let me eat. Like that we will make sentences so that you can speak. Okay, everybody write. Let me. L-E-T. L-E-T. Let. M-E me. L-E-T.
Hello.
Yes.
आवाज आ रहा है?
आपको आ रहा है आवाज? हमें आ रहा है, बोलिए.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, everyone start. L-E-T. Let.
Let.
Yeah, L-E-T. Let.
L-E-T. Let.
Let. M-E me. M-E me. Let
me.
Yes, very good. Let me. Okay, very good. Okay, now everybody will just no writing. Now no writing. Okay, we will speak. Let me sing.
Let me.
सब बोल रहे हैं? आप सत्य मुझे बताइए, सब बोल रहे हैं?
Yes, madam.
Okay, very good. Let me write. Let me sing. Let me sing. Let me play.
Let me play.
Let me write.
Let me write.
Let me do my work.
Let me do.
ओके अगर आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं और आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब करता है तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? लेट मी डू माई वर्क. ओके बोलिए. लेट मी डू माई वर्क. ओके आप एक दूसरे को बोलिए प्लीज लेट मी डू माई वर्क. हर आप अपने पार्टनर को बोलिए
Let me work.
लेट मी डू माई वर्क। आप अपने पार्टनर को बोलिए प्लीज आप।
Let
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। एवरीवन टेल योर पार्टनर लेट मी डू माई वर्क। ओके, नाउ लेट मी ईट। अपने पार्टनर को बोलिए लेट मी ईट। ओके, नाउ अपने पार्टनर को कोई और सेंटेंस बोलिए, लेट मी राइट।
Let me write. Let me dance.
और आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी। वेरी गुड। प्लीज लेट मी डू माई वर्क। अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन दिस मच? वेरी गुड। सो आपको जब इंग्लिश में किसी से बात करनी हो और आपको कोई डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, आपको आपका काम नहीं करने दे रहा, तो आपको कैसे बात करनी है? प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी। Please don't disturb me. Everybody understood?
Yes.
Okay. Let me sleep.
Let me sleep.
Let me sleep.
Let me sleep.
Let me play.
People.
Let me play.
People.
Let me clap. Let me roll my hands.
Let me roll my hand.
Let me sit.
Let me sit.
Let me stand.
Let me
Let me sit.
Let me sit.
Please don't disturb me.
Please don't disturb me.
अंडरस्टैंड? अब जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं, कोई हमें कुछ नहीं करने देता, तो हम ऐसे बोलते हैं, हमें ये काम करने दो, प्लीज लेट मी डू दिस, लेट मी ईट, लेट मी सिट, लेट मी स्लीप, लेट मी स्टैंड, लेट मी। अंडरस्टैंड एवरीबॉडी? वेरी सिंपल इंग्लिश। ओके, अब हम आते हैं नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पे। व्हाई, व्हाट, वेयर। एवरीबॉडी राइट। व्हाई, WHY, हेलो, हाउ आर यू? WHY, WHERE, where? Why, where, who? WHO, who? WHEN, when? आपने ऐसे लाइन बनाई है, आपको कैसे करना है देखो, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। ऐसे आप एक पेपर पे ऐसे लाइन बनाइए और WHO
दिख नहीं रहा है।
ऐसे ऐसे प्लेन पेपर है राइट, इस पे एक ऐसे लाइन बनाइए और लिखिए हु, व्हाई, व्हाट, वेयर। अंडरस्टैंड?
यस।
ट्राई कीजिए, मैं आपको लिख के दिखाती हूँ, रुको। अब दिख रहा है आपको? ये देखो, अंडरस्टैंड? ऐसे क्वेश्चन मार्क, और ये सब क्वेश्चंस हैं। हु, व्हाट, व्हाई, वेयर, ये सब क्वेश्चन मार्क है। अंडरस्टैंड? हम जब किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो हम ये वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे।
मैम दिख नहीं रहा है हमें।
बेटा मैं यहाँ पे आपको बहुत दिखा नहीं सकती, मैं सिर्फ आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे रही हूँ कि आप ऐसे लिखिए। ओके ओके, नाउ हम इस WHO, एवरीबॉडी नोज WHO, हु आर यू। लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप सिर्फ सुनिए। हु आर यू।
Are you?
आप अपनी फ्रेंड को, अपने बाजू वाले फ्रेंड को पूछिए हु आर यू।
Who are you?
नाउ यू से आई एम अ गर्ल,
Yes.
एंड देन अपने फ्रेंड को भी पूछिए, एक दूसरे को
Yes,
दोनों
ma'am.
आंसर दीजिए। आप सब एक दूसरे को, नो 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 नो, प्लीज डोंट बी नॉटी इन द क्लास, ट्राई टू पार्टिसिपेट, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड। एक दूसरे से क्वेश्चन कीजिए, हु आर यू। वेरी गुड। ओके, नाउ सत्य, कैन यू आस्क सत्य एंड वन गर्ल, कैन आप और आप सत्य फ्रंट में आइए, सत्य आप फ्रंट में आइए, और आप भी, आप भी आइए। आप एक गर्ल को बोलिए आपके साथ खड़े होंगे इधर आके.
कौन इधर या?
Anyone, please come in front. Can you come, Deepti? Purvi, can you come, Purvi? Yes, thank you. Okay, Purvi and Satya. Now, Satya, can you ask Purvi, who are you?
Who are you? I am fine.
No, who are you? I am a girl. You have to say I.
I'm a girl. I am a girl.
Now you ask him, who are you?
Who are you? I am a boy.
Okay, now now Purvi, you ask him, how are you?
How are you? I am fine.
And Satya, you say, I am fine, thank you. How are you? Now, okay?
How are you? Thank you. How are you? I am a good.
You say, I am fine,
I am fine.
thank you.
Thank you.
And how are you?
And how are you?
Okay, so this is the way we talk to people. Who are you? What are you doing? Now you ask Satya to Purvi, what are you doing?
What are you doing? I am
Learning English.
learning English.
Yes, I am in the English class.
I am in the English class.
Okay, now you ask Satya, what are you doing?
What are you doing? I am learning in English class.
Very good. Okay, now you can ask what you like to play. Ask Satya.
What do you like play? I like played kabaddi.
Very good. Now you ask Satya what you like to play.
What you like to play? I play kho.
Okay, very good. Both. Everyone clap for them. Okay, now two more. One girl, one boy. Thank you. Very good. Very good, Satya. Thank you so much. Two more now. One boy, one girl. Come in front. Please, please. I want everyone to participate. No need to feel shy. You all are classmates, friends. Okay, so we will talk, we will play, and we will build confidence. Understand? Okay, so please come in front. One boy, one girl, I want. Can you tell someone to come in front? Please don't feel shy.
मैडम दो लड़कियां आ सकती है
I
क्या?
want Simran to come. Simran, please come in front.
Oh,
Simran, you want to be a police officer, so no need to feel shy. And one boy, come on, please.
boys
One
नहीं
boy.
आ रहे. Boys नहीं आ रहे. लड़कियां आ सकती है.
हम don't waste my time. Please come.
Boys नहीं आ रहे. लड़कियां आ सकती है क्या?
Satya, can you tell your friend to come in front?
सत्यजीत सांग ना. मैडम लड़के नहीं आ रहे. दो लड़कियां आ सकती है क्या?
नहीं, I want a boy and a girl. Both. I want two.
यार ना तुम्हाला मारणार नाही ते.
Don't waste my time. Please come in front.
मैम कोई भी आ नहीं रहा है.
Okay, then tell a girl to come. If you don't want to listen to your teacher, it's not good. Okay, tell someone else. Simran, you call your friend. Simran, you tell your friend to come. One more friend. Okay, come in front. Yes. Okay, now both of you start talking. Say, you ask her, how are you? Come on.
How are you? I'm fine.
And then you ask her, how are you?
How are you? I am fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, now you ask her, what are you doing in the class?
What are you doing in the class? I am learning English.
Very good, Simran. Excellent. आप उसको पूछिए, what are you doing in the class?
What are you doing? Class. I am learning in a class.
I am learning English in the class. Say, I am. Don't feel shy. Just speak so that everyone get the confidence to speak. Okay. Say, I am learning English in the class.
I am the
Learning.
English class.
Very good. Okay. Thank you very much. Go to your seats. Thank you very much. And
Thank you,
please,
ma'am.
thank you, dear Simran. Thank you. What is the name of your friend?
Payal.
Okay, thank you, Simran and Payal. Please take your seat. Everyone clap for them.
Yes.
Clap for them, please. Thank you so much. Okay, boys, they don't want to participate in the class. Boys don't want to learn English.
मैम वो तो बोल रहे हैं हमें नहीं सीखना है.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. जिनको नहीं सीखना हमें उनको फोर्स नहीं करना है. जिसको सीखना है वो पार्टिसिपेट करे क्लास में, और जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो सीखेंगे. आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, देन यू विल एबल टू स्पीक. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट यू हैव टू लर्न एनीथिंग. आपको जिंदगी में कुछ बनना है, कुछ सीखना है, तो आपको सीखना. हम अपना टाइम दे रहे हैं, आपको सीखना है. ठीक है ना? ओके, सो टुडे वी विल डू द न्यू वर्ड्स. ओके एवरीबॉडी, वी विल टेक 5 letters A, B, C, D. Everybody write A, B, C, D. And A पे 5 वर्ड लिखेंगे, B पे 5 वर्ड लिखेंगे, C पे 5 वर्ड लिखेंगे, D पे 5 वर्ड्स लिखेंगे. So first of all we start with A. A for apple. Apple. ACT, act. Act. Ant. ANT, ant. Ant. ADD, add. ADD, add. Add the numbers. We say no, add the numbers. ADD, add. आप ए से कोई और बोलिए वर्ड. ए से कोई वर्ड बोलिए प्लीज. हाथ ऊंचा बोलिए. यस. एंड, एक्ट, एप्पल, ask, ASK, ask. Yes.
And the end.
A and D, and. Very good. Write down A and D, and. AGE, age. AGE, age. I can ask you what is your age?
Now
AGE.
complete is 5 letters.
Already? Okay. So आप अब इस पे सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे. हम इस पे सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे. कौन सा वर्ड लिखा है? फर्स्ट वर्ड एप्पल. ओके, एप्पल पे सेंटेंस बनाइए.
I am eating an apple.
I am eating an apple. Okay, I am eating an apple.
I am
Eating. an. Because हम जब भी एप्पल बोलते हैं हम यूज करते हैं an. an apple. An apple. अब पूरी क्लास साथ में बोलो. I am eating an apple.
eating an apple.
I am eating an apple.
I am eating an apple.
Okay, the second word क्या लिखा है बोलिए.
Act. CT, act.
CT? No, A for.
CT, act.
ANT, ant. Act, ACT, act. हाँ, ACT, act. अब act पे word कौन बनाएगा? कौन बनाएगा act?
Act means?
Yeah, make a sentence. Yes.
Ma'am, act means?
Act. I like to act. The movie star act in the movie. Acting is like, you know how we do acting, different type of acting. Like when we watch a movie, who do acting? Heroes do acting, right?
Yes.
Sometimes when we have some drama or something, then that is called an act. Understand?
Yes.
So act पे हम क्या sentence बना सकते हैं? Can somebody make a sentence on act? Don't act. जैसे कोई ड्रामा करता है ना, ऐसे मुंह बना रहा है कुछ, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? Don't act. Okay?
Yes.
Don't act in front of me. We say no. Don't act. सपोज कोई झूठा झूठा नाटक करता है ऐसा मुंह बना के, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? डोंट एक्ट. ओके, थर्ड वर्ड.
मैम, थर्ड वर्ड इज एंट.
ओके, एंट तो आपको सबको मालूम है, क्लास में एंट्स हैं. आपकी क्लास में एंट्स हैं?
नो मैम.
You don't have ants in the class, right? So you don't have ants in the class. Small ants होती है ना, जो चींटी बोलते हैं जिसको. So you can write, we don't have ants in our class.
We don't
Have, H-A-V-E, have,
have
ant, A-N-T, ant,
and
in the class.
in the
Class.
class.
Okay? Okay, now next sentence.
Head.
Hmm?
Head.
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 And. Add. A-D-D, add.
Oh, ma'am.
See?
Fourth
Add.
word is double D.
Yes, A-D-D, add. Okay? So add the number. Then how we speak? Add the numbers. Add 1 plus 1.
The number.
Yeah, add the numbers. Like I say, add the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please add them. So add means किसी चीज को जमा करना, उसको बोलते हैं add. Okay?
Next word is and.
A-N-D, and.
Yes.
And पे तो सभी बोल सकते हैं. Me and my friend.
Me and
my teacher. We are all sitting in the class. Okay, so this one is done. A for everybody done.
Yes.
Okay, now B.
B-A-T, bat.
B पे 5 words लिखिए. B for bat, B for bag, B for beach, B for butt, B for write down B for beauty butt.
Big, ma'am. Big.
B-I-G, big.
Bag.
B-A-D, bad. Yeah, very good. B-A-D, bad. Well done.
Bag. School bag, ma'am.
Yeah, bag. B-A-G, bag. Yes. beauty butt. आप लोग नहीं लिख रहे हैं फ्रंट में. आप दोनों गर्ल्स प्लीज राइट डाउन. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-I-T, bit.
Ma'am, B-A-L-L, ball.
Very good. B-A-L-L, ball. B-E-S-T, best. B-E-S-T, best. हो गए 5? Okay, now C. C for some new words. C for. आप प्लीज इनको देंगे माइक. इनको देंगे, ये जो पास में बैठे इनको देंगे माइक. इनको दीजिए. सी पे वर्ड्स बोलिए.
Cat.
वेरी गुड. और बोलिए, ट्राई कीजिए. और ट्राई कीजिए. सी फॉर. सी फॉर.
Call.
वेरी गुड. और करिए ट्राई.
Children's.
और ट्राई करिए.
College.
वेरी गुड. और
Clock.
वेल डन. आपकी फ्रेंड को दीजिए. अब वो भी बोलेंगे. इनको दीजिए. सी फॉर वर्ड्स बोलिए. कम ऑन. No, you have to speak. Come on. You have to, please.
Car.
Very good. Can you tell your friend to also speak some words? She's feeling shy.
कहाँ से बोल रहा है? Confidence.
Very good. Excellent. और बोलिए. Come, can, cup. छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स बोलिए, फिर बड़े आएंगे. ठीक है. हाँ, और बोलिए. हाँ.
Call.
Very good. Call, come, cup, cat. Okay. Okay. Now D. Come on D. पीछे दीजिए माइक.
Dog.
पीछे दीजिए माइक. D for.
Dog. D
Dog.
for.
Dog. Dig. D-I-G, dig.
Doctor.
Doctor, dig. Dance.
Dog.
Dog, dance. Doctor, dig.
Driver.
Dress.
Dad.
Dad, D-A-D, dad. Dead, D-E-A-D, dead. D-E-A-D, dead.
डिग्री बोल तो रहे
Degree, yes, degree, yes. D-E-G-R-E-E, degree. Okay, now up pronunciation in English. Come on, everyone, speak with me. Okay, everyone will speak with me. Hello, everyone.
हेलो एवरीवन
सभी बोलेंगे please. Everyone speak so that you learn to speak English. Hello, everyone.
हेलो एवरीवन
Today we are going to learn new words.
टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू
Learn new words.
न्यू
Again, today we
वी
are going
गोइंग
to learn new words. Okay. B-U-T, but.
वी गॉट
C-U-T, cut.
ड्यूटी कट
P-U-T, put. The same spelling. C-U-T, cut. B-U-t, but. P-U-T, put. Understand?
यस
Because sometimes the pronunciation is different, but we have to use the same spelling. C-U-T, cut. B-U-T, but. P-U-T,
बट
put. Not but, put. Okay? Like that. Okay, now next. Everyone speak with me, okay? I
आई
like
लाइक
to learn
टू लर्न
new words
न्यू वर्ड्स
because
बिकॉज़
new words
न्यू वर्ड्स
will help me
हेल्प मी
in learning English.
इन लर्निंग इंग्लिश
English is a very important language.
English is a very important language.
We have to learn English.
We have to learn English.
Why we have to learn English? Can somebody say why we have to learn English? Satya, can you tell me why we have to learn English? Satyajit, why we have to learn English?
क्योंकि पढ़ाई करने के बाद हमको दूसरे इधर जाना पड़ता है इसलिए इंग्लिश
नहीं बेटा, because nowadays English is very important because when we want to become a doctor, when we want to become a scientist, we learn English, then we can speak with everyone. Many people don't know many language. Suppose मैं आपके गांव में आती हूँ, मुझे महाराष्ट्रियन नहीं आती है, लेकिन इंग्लिश इज अ इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज. इंग्लिश सबको आती है, तो जब हम
Yes.
इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं तो सबके साथ बात कर सकते हैं, राइट?
यस यस
इसलिए हम इंग्लिश सीखते हैं कि हम सबके साथ बात कर सके. वी कैन टॉक टू एवरीवन.
एवरीवन
और हमारे बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स भी इंग्लिश में होंगे आपके, राइट?
वो यस सिर्फ इंग्लिश है
अभी सिर्फ इंग्लिश, बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स हिंदी में है आपके?
मराठी
अच्छा, मराठी में, हिंदी में भी नहीं है?
हिंदी वाला एक सब्जेक्ट है सिर्फ
Okay, only one subject Hindi, बाकी all some Maharashtrian, and one subject English, right?
यस
Okay, very good. Okay, now next. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोलेंगे सत्य खड़े होने के लिए. Yes. इनको बोलिए फ्रंट में आएंगे. हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
हेलो यस मैम
आप कैसे हैं?
अच्छा हूँ
अच्छे हो आप?
फाइन
हाँ, very good. So, can you speak 5 words in English on A? A for?
डबल पी एल ई एप्पल
Okay, एप्पल पे एक सेंटेंस बोलिए.
I am eating apple.
I'm eating an apple, right? I'm eating an apple. And why you are eating an apple?
Yes.
No, why you are eating apple? Because I am hungry.
I'm hungry.
Yes. हम खाना कब खाते हैं? जब हमें भूख लगती है. तो हम
Yes.
क्या बोलेंगे? I am hungry. I am apple.
Eating apple.
Yes. जब भूख लगती है क्या बोलते हैं? I am hungry. Everyone say.
I am hungry.
I want to eat.
I want to eat.
I want to eat.
I am on to eat.
I am no. I
I
want
want
to
to
eat
eat
an apple.
an apple.
A for apple.
A for apple.
A for ant. A for ant.
E for ant.
A for ant.
E for ant.
E for no. A.
A for ant.
Yeah. A for apple. A for ant. A for am. I am.
E for I am.
A for am.
A for am.
I am. I am a boy.
I am a boy.
I am a boy.
I am a boy.
I like to play.
I like to play.
I like to play cricket.
I like to play cricket.
Very good. You can take your seat. Thank you so much. And please participate in the class and give to someone your friend. The other boy. आप दूसरे बच्चे को देंगे प्लीज. यस.
Hello.
आगे आइए.
Hello, madam.
Hello dear, how are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
Anup Pagar.
Full आप पूरा बोलेंगे. My name is.
My name is Anup.
Okay, Anup, can you speak some words on B? B for?
Ball.
B for ball. B for? Butt. B-U-T, butt.
Beauty but
B-A-L-L, ball.
B-O-double-L ball.
B-A-L-L.
B-A-L-L.
Very good, ball. That means double L. Okay, bill. B-I-L-L, bill.
B-I-L-M bill.
B-I-L-L, bill.
B-I-S-L bill.
B-E-S-T, best.
B-E-S-T best.
I am the best.
I am a best.
I am the best in the class.
I am a best in the class.
I am a best. No, I am the best.
I am a best.
I like to do.
I like to do.
What you like to do? I like to do what?
I like reading.
I like reading. I like painting. I like sitting in the class. I like to learn. Like that, you try to make sentences, okay? At
Yeah.
home. Okay, when you go home, try to speak some sentences. I like to run. I like to play cricket. I like to watch movie. I like to watch TV. I like to spend time with my friends. I like to help my father. I like to help my mother. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, try to write some sentences when you go home. Everyone, can you practice these sentences?
Yes.
Say yes. Everyone say yes or no.
Yes.
Very good. Take your seat. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And now the girl who likes to sing can come in front. Rohini, I want Rohini. Yes, Rohini, please come in front.
Rohini, come forward.
Rohini, please come forward and don't feel shy.
Come forward.
And please आप लोग participate कीजिए. Don't feel shy, okay? Because आप एक जन बोलता है, सब learn करते हैं, okay? Understand? That's why मैं आपको आगे बुलाती हूँ ताकि आपके सब friends को boost मिलता है, confidence मिलता है, वो सब बोलना सीखेंगे इस तरह से, ठीक है? ओके रोहिणी, तो हम अब नेक्स्ट वर्ड लेंगे सी. ओके, सी पर आप कुछ 2 वर्ड्स बोलिए. ट्राई टू स्पीक. सी फॉर
Cat.
वेरी गुड. वन मोर.
College.
वेरी गुड. वन मोर.
Confidence.
वेरी गुड. वन मोर. आप लोग हेल्प कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड को. कम ऑन एवरीवन.
कार.
यस, वेरी गुड.
Connection.
ओके, तो आप हम इसका सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. रोहिणी, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name Rohini.
माय नेम इज रोहिणी.
My name is Rohini.
हाउ आर यू रोहिणी?
I am fine.
एंड देन यू आस्क मी, हाउ आर यू मैम?
How are you, ma'am?
I am also fine. Thank you so much. Okay, Rohini, I know you like to sing when you grow up, right? So, so do you sing at home sometimes?
Yes.
At home, do you sing sometimes? Yes, say yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Very good. That's very good. You practice at home, right? And then
Yes.
you will be a very great singer one day when you will practice so much. Okay, and which is your favorite subject? What do you like to study?
Hindi.
Hindi you like? Even I like Hindi. Hindi is a very good subject.
Yes.
आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आप क्या खा रहे हैं, आप कैसे हैं, राइट? आप बोल सकते हैं
Yes.
हिंदी में. एक सेंटेंस बोलिए हिंदी में.
आप कैसे हैं?
हम मजे में हैं. थैंक यू सो मच रोहिणी. यू टेक योर सीट. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. And next one, who wants to come in front? Please come in front. Whoever wants to come, please come. अपने आप आइए आगे. फटाफट माइक लीजिए, आइए. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज डी. डी से बोलना है. कौन आ रहा है आगे? आप इनको बोलेंगे. ये क्या नाम है आपका? रोहिणी, आपके आगे जो बैठे हैं उनको बोलिए आगे आने के लिए. क्या नाम है? यस, कम इन फ्रंट.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine.
And ask me also.
How are
Say,
you?
how are you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am?
I am good. Thank you so much. Okay, what is your name?
Deepika.
You speak like that. My name is Deepika.
My name is Deepika.
Wow, Deepika, thank you so much. Okay, Deepika, what do you want to become when you grow up? You want to become a teacher or a doctor or whatever you want to become? Tell me.
Teacher.
You want to become a teacher? Wow, that's so good. Even I am a teacher. That's so good. It's a good profession. Okay, so we are going to speak some words on letter E. Okay, so can you speak some words on letter E? E for?
Egg.
E for
Egg.
egg, right? So do you eat eggs?
Yes.
Okay, so say I eat eggs for protein.
I eat eggs.
For my protein.
Protein.
Yeah, very good. Because eggs give you protein, right? Okay, and then E for elephant. Have you seen an elephant before?
Elephant is a very
Big animal. Elephant is a
very big animal.
very good. Everyone speak. Elephant is a very big animal. But animal is very, very good. I love animals. You all like animals?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you will see, every house has an animal figure, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So an elephant is a elephant. E for elephant. Okay. Okay. Then E for
Ant.
E for ant. No, but A for ant. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eagle. Have you seen eagle in the sky? Have you seen an eagle? Yes. So eagle can fly in the sky. Eagle can. Anything else? Okay. What is your favorite food?
Mango.
Mango is your favorite fruit, right? Okay. And which sports do you like to play?
Kabaddi.
Kabaddi. Wow. Very good. Thank you so much. You can take your seat. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Now, who wants to come in front? जब तक आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे आपको मजा नहीं आएगा. आप पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. Yes. What is your name?
Arsheen.
Can you come in the center because I can't see your face? Can you come in the center? बीच में आ जाइए। यस, आपका नाम क्या है?
अर्शी।
अर्शी। हेलो अर्शी, हाउ आर यू?
I am fine, thank you.
Thank you so much. So Arshi, when you will finish your studies, after that, what you want to become? What you want to do after your studies? When you finish your studies, you want to become something?
Doctor.
You want to become a doctor? That's so good. So you like to study science?
Yes.
That's very good. So you like to see plants?
Yes.
Yeah, because when you look at plants, you learn so many things, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So can you tell me what is your favorite sports? आपको क्या खेलना अच्छा लगता है?
Kho kho.
आपको खो खो. So you tell my favorite sports is kho kho.
My favorite is kho kho.
Very good. And what is your favorite food?
Mango.
Mango you like to eat. And do you like to study?
Yes, I like to study.
Or you like to play? Say I like to study and play.
She like to I study and play.
Very good. And do you have friends in the class?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you like to play with your friends?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you so much. You can take your seat. Thank you. Well done. So this is the
Thank
way you all have to participate in the class. So, you know, we can talk and you will get the confidence to talk. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now we will do the body parts and talk about it. Yes, teacher, anything? Yes. What is your name?
My name is Rudra.
Rudra. Wow, beautiful name. Rudra, can you show me your eyes? Your eyes?
Yes.
Where are your eyes? I can't see
Two.
your eyes. I know. Can you show me your eyes? See, my eyes are here. You can tell me my eyes are here.
I have two eyes.
You have two eyes. Even everyone has two eyes. Yes. And where is your forehead? This is your forehead. Yes. Everyone, where is your forehead? Show me your forehead. Forehead. This is the head. Where is your head? Forehead. Eyes. Cheeks. Chin. Lips. Teeth. Nose. Cheeks. Ears. Neck. Arms. Thumb. Very good. So like that you have to, okay, now tell me, how are you today?
Yes.
Say, I am good. How are you?
I am fine.
And ask me, how are you, teacher?
How are you, teacher?
I am also good. Thank you so much. Okay, so are you enjoying learning English?
Yes.
So you practice at home English? Do you speak English at home?
Yes.
You have a brother?
One. Yes.
One brother. So you try to speak with your brother in English, okay?
Okay.
It's okay if it is wrong, no problem. आप wrong बोलिए, no problem, पर बोलिए. आप ऐसे पूछिए अपने brother को, what is your name? How old are you? Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you eating? I want to play. You want to play with me? Like that simple English बोलिए घर पे. Everyone, okay?
Yes.
All of you try to speak English at home and then class में भी गलत बोलिए, no problem, पर बोलिए. एक दूसरे के साथ इंग्लिश में बात कीजिए, देन यू विल वेरी फास्ट एबल टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. ओके?
Yes.
व्हेन आई वाज स्मॉल, जब मैं छोटी थी, मैंने भी ऐसे ही सीखा था. मैं भी आपकी तरह क्लास में जाती थी, मुझे लगता था सब लोग इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, मैं क्यों नहीं बोल सकती. तो मैं गलत बोलने लगी, न्यूज़पेपर से पढ़ने लगी, बुक्स में पढ़ने लगी, और मुझे कब पता नहीं चला मुझे इंग्लिश आ गई. तो आप भी ऐसे ही कीजिए. जब भी कोई न्यूज़पेपर इंग्लिश का मिलता है तो उसको रीड कीजिए. कोई बुक मिलती है इंग्लिश की तो उसको रीड कीजिए. कोई इंग्लिश में बोल रहा है तो उसको रिपीट कीजिए, एंड देन यू विल एबल टू स्पीक. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Take your seat. Thank you so much. You are so cute. Okay. Now who wants to come in front? Who wants to come in front? अच्छा धीरे. Hello, how are
Hello, ma'am.
you? How are
I am
you?
fine. I am fine.
What's your name?
Tofik.
Can you
My name
repeat?
is Tofik.
Okay. So, what you want to become when you become big?
I like you become
A, a doctor,
no.
एस्ट्रोनॉट. आपको स्काई में उड़ना है
Nine.
तो क्या बनना है? पायलट बनना है?
Operator.
ओ, ऑपरेटर. किस चीज को ऑपरेट करोगे आप?
DJ.
Oh wow, these that's so good. That's lovely. So you like to dance? You like to sing? You like to
Yes.
dance? You like to dance?
Yes.
You like to sing?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't have to feel shy, okay? If you want to become a DJ, you have to speak, you have to sing, you have to dance in front of everyone. You have to build confidence, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me about yourself in 3 lines? My name is.
My name is
Speak.
Tofik.
3 सेंटेंस बोलने हैं. I like to eat, I like to play, my name is. Okay, 3 सेंटेंस बोलिए अपने बारे में.
My name is Tofik.
Yes.
I like play.
I like to play which game? I
I
like
love
to.
my mother.
No, I like to play which game? I like to play. Game कौन सी अच्छी लगती है आपको?
Kabaddi.
So say I like to play kabaddi.
I like to play kabaddi.
Yes, and then.
I love my mother.
Oh wow. And how about your father?
Yes.
आपके आपके पापा क्या करते हैं? What is your father?
Garage का काम करते हैं.
हाँ, my father works in a garage. Okay, you have to speak
My
like.
father in work a garage.
Yeah, no, don't feel shy. My father works in a garage.
My father works in the garage.
Very good, excellent. See, he works hard so that you can learn, you can study, right?
Yes.
Yes, so you become a good boy, you work hard, you study well, and then become a big boy and earn a lot of money and then help your parents. Okay?
Yes.
Very good. You can take your seat. Thank you so much. You are a very smart boy. Yes. Anyone else wants to come in front? जो शाय फील करेगा वो नहीं सीख पाएगा. जो सामने आएगा बोलेगा वो जल्दी सीख पाएगा. Yes, very good. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello dear, how are you?
My name is Aisha.
Okay, Aisha, you are so beautiful. Come on, speak about yourself. Say, you just learn to speak. Say, my name is Aisha, ma'am. How are you?
My name is Aisha, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine, dear. How are you?
I am fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, Aisha, can you tell me something about yourself? How many brother and sisters you have?
I have 2 brothers.
2 brothers. So they are younger to you or elder to you? Younger or elder?
Yamran and other.
So you have one younger brother and one elder brother. So you are the in between, right?
Yes.
एक छोटा भाई है, एक बड़ा भाई है ना? और आप
Yes.
second number. Okay. Okay. And then tell me what you like to do at home.
Again, please.
What you'd like to do besides study? आप studies के अलावा क्या आपको अच्छा लगता है करना? What you like to do? आपको पेंटिंग अच्छी लगती है? आपको कुकिंग अच्छी लगती है? आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है? What you like to do?
I like reading.
Oh wow, so you read a lot of books?
I like singing.
Wow, you like reading, you like singing. So आप लोग घर में बुक्स पढ़ते हैं?
Yes.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सो आप लोगों को एक आइडिया देती हूँ. आप सबके पास बुक्स होंगी रीड करने के लिए, तो आप एक दूसरे के साथ एक्सचेंज किया कीजिए बुक्स. आपकी बुक फिनिश हो जाए तो आपकी फ्रेंड को वो बुक दीजिए पढ़ने के लिए, और आपकी फ्रेंड के पास कोई बुक हो तो आप उससे लीजिए. ओके?
Yes.
All of you learn to exchange books with each other so that you will learn so many books. Understand?
Madam, 2 minutes. वंदे मातरम शुरू हो रहा.
वंदे मातरम. ओके, शुरू हो रहा है. चलो. यस. थैंक यू. आपकी प्रेयर का टाइम था. तो आप लोग को सैटरडे स्कूल होता है?
Yes.
Oh, all the classes. So, what time you come to school? Morning? 7:30 in the morning. And what time you finish school? Afternoon?
11:30.
11:30. Oh, then you go home, right? After going home, what you do?
Yes.
What you do at home? Read.
Yes.
No, you say yes. Speak a sentence. Say, I read books at home.
Say, I read books home.
I read books at home.
I read books of home.
I read
I read
books
books
at home.
at home.
I play with my brother.
I play with my brother.
I help my mother.
I help my mother.
I help my brother.
I help my brother.
Thank you so much. Take your seat now. Everyone speak with me, okay? चलो, अब हम सब साथ में बोलेंगे. Everyone will talk together. Everyone together, together, together. Okay? My name is.
My name is Mariam.
Okay. When I go home,
I go home.
I
I
finish my lunch.
my lunch.
I play with my brother or sister.
I sister.
I help my mother.
I help my mother.
I help my father. I help my mother and father.
I help my mother.
I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I like to eat fruits.
I like to eat fruit.
Mango is my favorite fruit. Vada pav is my favorite fruit. Vada pav is fruit or food? Vada pav is my favorite food. Everyone speak together. Vada pav is my favorite food. Next time I'm going to ask you questions. Now I am teaching you. For next time I'm going to ask you questions. Then you have to answer. So speak with me when I speak, okay? I like to play games.
I like to play games.
I like to study.
I like to study.
I like to read.
I like to read.
Please let me read. Please let me eat.
Please let me eat.
Please let me play. Please don't disturb me.
Please don't disturb me.
Please let me concentrate.
Please let me concentrate.
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 Please let me sit.
Please let me sit.
Please don't disturb me.
Please don't disturb me.
Please can you help me?
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 Do you need help?
Do you need help?
Yes, I can help you.
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 It's good to be kind.
Good to be
Good to be good.
good to be good.
Good to be kind.
Good to be kind.
I can help you.
I can help you.
Because if I will help you. Because if I will help you.
Because yes, I will help you.
You will help me too.
You will help me too.
And we will become friends. Don't hate anyone.
Don't Animal.
Don't hate anyone in the class.
Don't.
Very good. Okay, so now 5 words and then we'll finish the class today. Okay, speak with me. Come, get.
Get.
If you want to write, you can write, but you want to speak. Okay, come, get,
Get.
give,
Give.
go,
Go.
keep, let me go. I teach you today, right?
Go.
Yes, let me write.
Let me write.
Let me drink. Let me eat.
Let me eat.
Let me write.
Let me write.
Let me sing.
Let me sing.
Let me dance. Very good. Let me dance, everyone. Let me dance. Yes. So you can speak like these small words. Try to speak with each other, okay? And next time, and listen, next time make 2 groups. One
Yes.
group this side, one group this side, and then play a game nouns. You
Yes.
you play game like that. You speak nouns, you speak nouns. Let's see who speak more nouns is the winner. Like that, okay?
Yes.
Suppose this is a team, this is a team. And then try to make nouns. Everything around is you noun. Pencil is a noun. Bag is a noun. Dress is a noun. Book is a noun. Pencil box is a noun. Yeah. Notebook is a noun. Country is a noun. Person is a noun. Your name is a noun. So you play games like that when you're free in the class and then speak with each other in English. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think you all are feeling sleepy. Hands up. Hands down. Roll your hands. Clap your hands. Hands up. Touch your cheeks. Very good. Good for today. Bye-bye. See you, everyone. Please practice English. Love you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye, girls. Bye, boys. Everyone, have a nice day. Enjoy your Sunday. Saturday. Sunday. I'm full.
Bye.
Oh, you have a beautiful. Bye. Bye-bye. See you.
Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. I know. Enjoy your weekend. Okay? Bye. See you next class, girls.
सैटरडे को मिलेंगे हम
हाँ जी सैटरडे को मिलेंगे. See you on Saturday. Say see you on Saturday. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.